Hello everyone, this is Brian Leduc, aka Prevalent Arts. This is just a short video to show you how you can do some very simple video editing. I was making some spoof videos, putting two clips together to make it look like one, and have the audio flow together to make it look believable. And someone was just interested in how to do this. So I just want to let you know that it is Movavi video editor I use, and I also have a YouTube downloader. It's called a one-to-share YouTube downloader. However, if you're going to be making videos, then just be careful with copyright policies. You can make these videos, but they should be for personal use. For this video, I'm going to be using my own footage, so everything I'll be showing you is legal. So, and the other videos I made, they were just for personal use. I'm not going to be uploading them to YouTube. Okay, so let me show you how you would accomplish it. I'm using Movavi Video Editor, and I'm using the Plus version. There are two video editors under Movavi, Movavi Video Editor and then Video Editor Plus. This is what the regular version would look like, and this is the Plus version. I use the Plus version because it also features keyframe animations. Alright, so let's get a clip. I'm going to take this pool video. Okay, so this is where I want to split my footage. I'm going to move the time indicator a little over here. Alright, right here is where I want to stop. And you can zoom in down here if you need to. So I'm gonna split right here. So I click the scissors icon. I bounce the ball, it goes flying. Split. Okay, now I can remove this clip. And I'll remove this clip. But before I do that, I'm going to take the audio, and I'm going to bring it down. And see how there are two audio tracks? One has a link icon, and then one has no link icon. If I remove this clip, I delete the audio as well. If I bring it down here, then click in the clip, it doesn't delete. Now I'm going to do this on purpose because the clip I'm going to bring in, I still want that audio to be playing. So the next clip I'm going to bring in this one down here. And I need to time this carefully. Right there, split. Alright, now I'm going to just click the audio and remove it. Or just so it's not as distractive, but you can still hear the voice. I'm going to click that audio clip and then click this icon and then set the volume down just a little. Maybe to about 25. And you can still hear the sound in the background. Oh yeah!